Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to get Instagram URL link. Now, if you want to share your Instagram URL with someone, you will need the link. And how do you get this? There isn't a native way to do this, which means Instagram doesn't offer a feature or an option where you can directly go ahead and copy it. But there's a simple solution for this. So once you're here in your account, you can click on edit profile and then you can see that this is your current username. Make sure you copy this or remember this. Once you have it in mind, you can go ahead and open up your browser and you can type in instagram.com/your username. Yes, that is it. Once you have put in your username, just click on go and you will see that it will directly take you to your account. So yeah, once you have this, you can open up your browser again and copy the link that you have just put in. So yeah, this is how you can get your Instagram URL link. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.